Alright guys, let's talk about what we are going to talk about in this video. As all of you know, there's a lot of news going around. There are changes in the marking system, not marking system, I'll say marking scale when it comes to your PSN test of English. What I'll be covering in this video, what are the changes, what is going to be the impact on the future students and on the current students who have already got 8 each, and how you have to deal with the changes in case the changes are accepted or implemented by Department of Immigration as well, what you have to do in that case. Alright, let's start. First of all, what are the changes? PSN as an independent body, not in collaboration with government or immigration or anybody else, as an independent body has revised the marking scale. Means earlier when 79 used to be equivalent to 8 in IELTS, now the number has gone or the bar has gone up to 84. Now according to PSN, not according to any other requirements, only as per the requirements of PSN, if you score 84 in PT, you can say that it is equivalent to 8 in IELTS. Now what happens with government or what happens with the visa application? What I have researched so far on immigration's website, DIBP website as well, it clearly says to claim 20 points towards your migration you just need 79 each. So far there are no changes when it comes to your visa requirements. There may be changes in the future, but at the moment there are no changes. What PSN has done, they have researched, they have collected data, and then they have revised their marking scale, and these findings or these research they have submitted to their partners, government and other institutions as well, like APRA for nursing, and it completely depends on other institutions and the government whether they have to implement the same change in their system as well. They may implement it, they may not implement as well, but at the moment government website or immigration department clearly says in order to claim 20 points you just need 79 each. Now I got a lot of calls from all of you that what happens if I have already claimed or I have got 79 each but less than 84 in PT, what will happen with me? There's no clear answer when it comes to Department of Immigration's website, but what I have seen in the past, what I have researched, what I have figured out, whenever there are new rules implemented or whenever there are new rules or legislation in place, it will only impact the candidates who apply or lodge the application after the date of effect. Means if they are implementing the rules today, it won't I'll use the word likely. It is not likely to impact the candidates who have already lodged or submitted their applications. It will impact the candidates who will apply for their visa or who will apply to DIBP after the implementation of new rules or new legislation, I'll say. Yes, for now no changes when it comes to your visa requirement, but we never know what's going to happen in the future. Immigration may accept these changes and make changes to their system, may not as well, but as my personal understanding and my personal advice, students who have already got 79, you don't really need to worry much. Most likely you won't be impacted by these changes, but students who will apply now and after or after the implementation of new rules, they will be impacted. What is my suggestion? What you have to do? See, first of all, don't panic. You all are panicked that how I'll get 84. Remember this thing, students are going to get 84. Even if they raise their bar to 84, students will get 84, so there's nothing to worry about. If you have got 79 or if students used to get 79, earlier 79 used to be a big number, right? Now when they have raised it to 84, 79 looks easy and 84 looks difficult. I'll see a lot of students talking about 79 was easy, but if we talk about 2 weeks back, at that time 79 was difficult for us. So yes, it's just a new number. Yes, we'll have to work hard, but it is achievable. Yesterday itself 2 students have got a perfect 90. So if they can do it, I have done it, you can do it as well. So from now on you need to make sure you give your 110% and leave no room for mistakes. Another thing, one more point, one of our student contacted APRA. She wanted to apply for a nursing registration and she got 65 in writing, right? So APRA clearly mentioned on a website, it says 65, you need 65 at the moment, and if they increase the number to 66, they will publish it on their website and it will be implemented once they have applied or once they have posted this on their website, and once they have officially mentioned that yes, for now nursing registration you need 66. For now, if you have got 65, yes, you can apply for it, and that is where I drew the conclusion that yes, it won't impact the students who have already got it, but yes, it can impact the students from after the implementation of new rules. Another thing, what are the things you need to be very careful about when it comes to if they raise the bar to 84 for claiming 20 points towards your residency? What you need to worry about in PTE, what we need to focus on, we'll need to focus that we pay attention to small things as well, small tasks. Listening MCQ single, MCQ multiple, select missing word and highlight correct summary. Earlier we used to focus that these are not very important, but when it comes to getting 84, each and everything is important and we'll need to focus on each and everything. Yes, 84 is achievable. It can take some time, it may take some hard work, but you don't have to stress yourself. You have to keep yourself very easy, comfortable, stay calm and give your 120%. That's it. If you do have any doubts, leave them down in the comment section. I'll try to answer all of them. Again, there's no clear picture. These are the findings, or this is what I have searched upon and what I think is most likely to happen. Most likely students who have already got 79 will not be impacted. Students who will get 79 but less than 84 after the new rules are implemented will be impacted. What is my suggestion? Prepare, give your 100% and try to take the exam, so that before immigration department officially announces something, you have got your 79 and you can lodge your EOI. Hopefully this is true. We'll still wait for the official disclaimer or guidelines, and once something is out, I'll really update all of you about it. But yes, I really wish, because it will be very unfair for students who have worked hard and got 79. But fingers crossed, I wish nothing changes and it remains 79 for all of us. Let's wait and watch. If something comes up, I'll let all of you know. Another change, along with small tasks in listening MCQ, you have to make sure you focus on your reading. For reading, earlier we were not stressing too much about grammar classes, but yes, a lot of our students know that we are running grammar classes 3 days a week on campus, in our city branch, in our Parramatta branch and online as well. So altogether 9 classes. You can attend any of these 3, Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, 2 p.m. in a Parramatta branch. City timetable is a bit different, and online as well, Monday, Thursday and Friday 2:30 p.m. you can attend either. Now earlier I was not stressing too much that you have to attend these grammar classes and reading classes, but now you have to. What we'll cover in these grammar classes, we are going to cover new questions every time, because we have seen a lot of you just rely on repeated material, and when I give you, or when we give you any of the tasks which you have done before, you'll solve it in 5 seconds, right, without even understanding the concept. But in these classes, these sessions, we are going to give you brand new questions so that you can solve reading based on the understanding, not on your cramming skills. You have to understand the concept, context and apply the right strategies and rules and solve. Make sure you attend these classes so that 84 is not that difficult for all of you. Make sure you keep on practicing. If you do have any doubts, leave them down in the comment section and I'll try to answer all of you. Thanks guys. 𝗏𝗏 from Language Academy signing off.